Dear customers and partners, I would like to welcome you to our first virtual event around Vestaco's gripper and positioning solutions. Thank you very much for your participation. My name is Stefan Eggers, Managing Director of Vestaco Europe. As you could see from the agenda posted on our website, today's event is about the different aspects of our gripper and positioning solutions, such as how do I select the right gripper and how could this gripper drive productivity in my production? How could an indexer provided by Vestaco support my productivity in operations? In our roundtable discussion at the end of the event, we will share latest updates on innovations and new products with you. I would like to use this opportunity to point out that we will be offering another event on work holding and end effector applications during the second half of the year. The exact dates of this event will be posted well in advance. Now I would like to wish you an informative time. Please take advantage of the live chats to discuss with our product experts. With that said, I will hand over to Edith. She will guide us through the event.
I would also like to welcome you to our virtual event. My name is Edith Schulze-Steinen. I am the Marketing Manager at Vestaco Europe and will be your moderator. Today we are here in our European headquarters near Frankfurt and will talk about your best gripping and indexing solution. But first of all, let's take a look inside of Vestaco.
Vestaco is your partner for high-performance solutions in automation, work holding, and containment.
The plant here in Germany has a tremendous importance for our customer, but as well for us, since it's specialized for the assembly of very complex custom application. And what defines us here in this plant is the very good qualification of our employees, but as well the flexibility that we bring in every day in order to meet the customer expectation.
Founded in 1915, Vestaco is a Dover Corporation company.
My name is Nina Wollep. I'm the Global Engineering Manager at Vestaco. With my team of engineers and designers, I ensure that your demands and wishes are transformed into actual products, precise and with an innovative spirit.
My name is Christian Schubert. I'm a Global Product Manager at Vestaco. I'm responsible for planning, controlling and strategic alignment to launch products on the market successfully. Proximity to the customer is particularly important for Vestaco to bring innovation solutions that solve your customer needs.
My name is Dirk Fabian. I'm responsible for the quality management at Vestaco. We understand quality as a holistic aspect that runs through all areas of our products, our services and our processes. The benchmark for the quality of our products is a combination of our demands on our work and, above all, on our customers. Quality is part of our DNA and we are proud of that.
In 1936, it designed and manufactured its first manual clamp. Since then, innovation, quality, and acquisition have made Vestaco the global leader in the design, manufacture, and support of work holding, gripping, transfer, and robotics solutions for workstation and flexible automation applications.
After this great introduction, let's talk about automation, which is becoming globally more and more important. Today we have two experts with us, Jens Hammerschmidt, who is our sales manager for automation, and Moritz Sternberg, who is an engineer developing automation products. This is a pre-recorded conversation, but we do have experts available on chat right now to answer any questions you have during our session. The idea of automation has been around forever, finding new ways to speed up process or activity. In today's world, automation is more important than ever. In this session, we will be discussing some of the Vestaco's greatest examples of gripping and automation as we look forward to the future. Let's come to my first question. Jens, why are companies implementing more and more automation?
One important reason is the reduction of costs. One of the factors of profitability of the robot is the decrease in the share of labor in the cost price. That means an overall cost reduction. Robot manufacturing is flexible manufacturing. The robot can operate alone for a given time without assistance. It adapts it to different production series and remains a standard product, easy to adapt and maintain.
By implementing automation, we can group the tasks together in one robotic cell. Then intermediate stocks are eliminated. Finally, we can significantly reduce the work in progress. By improving performance with robotization, initial benefits are the reduction of the number of rejects and the improvement of the overall product quality.
These factors that you mentioned are key to have successful production in today's time. What makes Vestaco the ideal partner for automation, Jens?
First of all, our wide product program. We have indexing drives to rotate systems in a circular form very accurately, conveying systems in a linear form precisely with high repeatability. Both are the heart of the machine. Robots or gantries are another way of automation. Here we have grippers and tool changers. Our well-trained sales teams and customer service are dedicated to drive the customer and give the best guidance. For a specific or more complex application, our application engineering team and technical support is involved to follow the customer during the technical definition process to the quotation stage. Vestaco is a global company with an excellent strategic internal network that gives us a global overview over the market in terms of technology and sales orientation. This is an exceptional opportunity for turnkey or tailor-made solutions. And last but not least, Vestaco is over 100 years old. We have a great experience in the field of automation. Our customers appreciate our high product quality.
Speaking about robots, you mentioned grippers. What are the specific benefits of Vestaco grippers, Moritz?
Vestaco has a large portfolio to cover all market demands with cost-effective solutions. We have a large size range, from tiny grippers for life science and pharmaceutical industry, to big heavy grippers for automotive, construction or aerospace. Stroke is a key point to select a gripper. Sometimes short strokes are sufficient, but sometimes extended or very long strokes can be necessary to handle parts of different sizes with only one gripper. This is often the case for packaging or palletizing applications. Weight is becoming more and more important when we consider environment or energy saving. With internal kinematic optimization, lightweight material, Vestaco can propose more compact and very reduced gripper weight. To reduce the maintenance and extend the lifetime of the gripper, we propose as standard different kinds of protection. These include integrated seals, plastic covers, Kevlar boots or stainless steel shields. Some grippers are IP55 certified, some others are fully enclosed for harsh environments. We offer a complete solution. We have a modular gripper series with a wide range of standard options. One option is tandem. The purpose is double or triple the force by adding 2 or 3 additional pistons. If necessary, we can even replace air pressure by hydraulic pressure to even more power. We can always find a dedicated gripper solution, manual, pneumatic, hydraulic, and increasingly more electric.
Why we are talking about grippers? What are the different types of option of grippers, Moritz?
Before any choice or recommendation, there are a few things to consider. First of all, the environment. Do you need liquid, oil or dust protection? High temperature, heavy duty or even corrosive environments? Which kind of product or material will be handled? Steel parts? Plastic parts? Glass or wooden parts? Any other constraints, such as cycle time, torque, inertia, or specific restrictions like very long or enclosed fingers. Different technologies are available, and this will lead us to determine the gripper range. Secondly, which options or features are required to fit as best as possible with the application. And last but not least, overall budget is also a key point. Do we really need high level of accuracy, high-speed movements for short cycle times? These are the key questions to select the proper gripper in line with the budget.
What do I have to consider when choosing a gripper? How can I find the one most suited to my application?
A good option is our RoboSizer software. It's available on the Vestaco website and an easy tool to define the right gripper for your application. Many grippers are off the shelf in the majority of cases and part of our Express program. Take for example our RDH-RTH series. It covers most market demands. RDH-RTH grippers are cost effective and available on stock. That means a dominating grip force compared to the market. Shield operation, that means low to zero maintenance. Long finger length to extend reach into tight spaces, and size consistency. With or without spring, the housing does not change.
We have sales and technical support in place. Based on customer requirements, specifications, environment, we define together the best gripping solutions. There is an example with very long frame and 16 grippers in the process. The purpose was to grip and move very long wooden panels by robot in all directions. We worked together with the integrator on this challenging project, mostly for tool changer sizing, where we require a heavy payload or high inertia and speed movements. The support of the Vestaco engineering team is required. This is directly linked to safety.
Traditionally, Vestaco has been a company, has focused on automotive industry. Jens, does Vestaco provide solutions for other industries too?
Automotive industry is directly linked to general industries for majority of components, and finally to all diversifying market. In general, it has a model function for all other industries. We have dedicated products for foundries and automotive, but also for electrical motors, aerospace, battery production and all other industries. For big pieces, for small pieces, for very high temperature or heavy duty.
Robotization is growing in diversifying markets like consumer goods, plastic industry or life science. Cleanroom dedicated grippers are also available as standard. We have solid experience in food industry, with applications for packaging and with direct contact to the food. The restrictions are clearly defined. No contamination from the gripper, and fully enclosed and protected from the outside when cleaning with high pressure. As an example, there are standard grippers made of stainless steel, fully enclosed. The fingers are designed and adapted to cheese manufacturing, and therefore cleaning with high pressure. Collaborative robots are one of the main pillars of Industry 4.0. Vestaco proposes his ultra-light and compact tool changer for cobalt cells, a very low profile and coupling solution with pneumatic and electrical pass-through.
Many clients want their suppliers to provide customized solutions. What are some examples of customization of Vestaco?
Vestaco has a long experience in aeronautical engine industry. We developed hydraulic mandrels with high level of accuracy. This success in aerospace was an opportunity to propose additional gripping devices for high precision in machining or pinion cutting.
Regarding rough environments, Vestaco offers complete solutions for dust, sand or water protection. That means we have the right gripper for every application. Most of our grippers can be made of stainless steel instead of aluminum and steel. Adapted to corrosive environment, nuclear or food industries, everywhere where special requirements are demanded.
All tailor-made solutions that can be integrated in a particular environment. We can propose grippers with multiple jaws, 4, 6 or 8 jaws, large through hole when cutting long bars, or special body design for specific environments.
We have discussed both standard and customized products. Jens, I think key question customers will have is how do you ensure the longest lifetime of those products?
First of all, you have to use it in a proper way. Read the instructions and the guidance and don't use it for any other purpose.
Our grippers are at least 3 million cycles guaranteed. No maintenance is needed when using them correctly. Important to notice that all grippers can be repaired. The user can repair himself. In this case, seal kits for repairing and spare parts are available or through the Vestaco repairing support. Then a new guarantee is effective. Note that technical support and expertise at the customer's factory is available. Sometimes it is not possible to send back the parts to us, so you need the expertise on site.
Regarding the aftermarket, our sales team, customer service and distribution network is available to give the best support. Don't hesitate to ask us if you have any questions about our products.
Thanks Jens and Moritz for being with us. I hope you enjoyed our conversation about automation and gripping products. Please stay with us. We will talk about indexing products next. Welcome back to our session on indexing products. Let me introduce our experts. I would like to welcome to this conversation Moritz Sternberg, Application Engineering Manager Automation, and Frank Bauer, our Sales Manager. It's great to have you here. Let's come to my first question. Frank, what makes Vestaco the ideal supplier for indexing solution?
The origin of Vestaco indexers goes back to the pioneers in the field of indexing, Camco and Ferguson. Camco was founded in the USA in the 1970s, and Ferguson is a manufacturer founded in Europe in the 1980s. Both these market leaders have shaped the market to this day with their revolutionary innovations. For example, the RDM series, a revolutionary compact indexing drive of its time, which still sets standards in the market today and was the first of its kind. After the takeover of the two market leaders by Vestaco, the synergies of the two were used to offer what is now a leading global provider of indexing solutions under the umbrella of Vestaco. We have been shaped by this history to this day and are known for extremely durable and robust products of the highest quality. Building on this history, we can offer customers the best solutions for their applications today.
Moritz, why should a customer choose an indexing as a solution? Won't they be replaced by a servo solution?
Thank you. This is a question that many customers ask me. Index drives are the ideal solution for many applications. For applications with a fixed number of stations that do not change over the life cycle of the system, an index drive is the most convenient solution. The advantages are clearly visible in each step. The advantages of a large center bore or stable mounting can be used as early as the construction phase. The user is now able to carry out his system cabling in a space-saving manner and move heavy loads without additional bearings. The installation requires little cabling and, if at all, any programming effort. This means that index drives are virtually a plug-and-play solution. During operation, indexers offer a very high positioning accuracy and an excellent repeatability. The high level of accuracy are maintained over the entire service life, even in high-speed applications. In most cases, this is well over 100,000 hours, which corresponds to over 16 years of continuous running. The long lifespan means high profitability. In terms of the total investment, index drives are cost-effective alternatives compared to servo applications, especially if you also include the cost of the control, software, cables, programming and equipment. If you only consider the dwell time of an application, a servo motor is continuously drawing power, whereas an AC motor simply stops and will not draw any power until required. This means that index drives are also gaining in importance from an environmental point of view. Higher flexibility of the system be required. All our indexers can be modified so that they can also be used as servo axes. For this purpose, servo drive technology is combined with index drives to use the advantages of both worlds. Our GTB and PGM series in particular already offer those advantages as standard. Full flexibility combined with high stability, a large center bore, and above all, a high level of accuracy and repeatability, thanks to the backlash-free mechanism.
Moritz, you have made the case on why indexers are still relevant today. Going into detail about DESTACO indexers, how precise are they?
As already mentioned, indexers are characterized by a very high level of accuracy. There are different terms that play a role here: backlash, positioning accuracy, and repeatability. Let's start with backlash. The backlash is, so to speak, the air between the components and is therefore the deviation of the position in the event of a load change. With most servo gearboxes, a backlash of 6 arc seconds is rarely undercut. In addition to the measurement and the control system, this sets the limit of accuracy. This factor is not relevant for index drive, as they are set up backlash-free. The positioning accuracy is the accuracy with which each individual station can be approached. With our index drive, a positioning accuracy of up to 12 arc seconds is possible. This means, on a diameter of 2 meters, a deviation of just 600ths. The repeatability is the accuracy with which the same station can be approached repeatedly. Due to the mechanical locking, the absence of backlash, and the always identical pair of components, a repeatability of up to 3 angular seconds is possible. With a diameter of 2 meters, we are talking about only 1.5 hundredth. Especially in high-speed applications, the control system is the limiting factor for servo applications. Indexers are set up backlash-free and are independent of measuring and control systems. This ensures that the precision is maintained even at high speeds. Indexers can therefore show their advantages best when it comes to precision. To guarantee this, every indexer is checked for this exactness before delivery, to guarantee the best possible product for our customers.
Frank, could you please give us some examples of typical applications for indexers?
Of course, Edith. There are several applications that are based on a clocked process. Think, for example, of filling bottles in the food industry or filling blisters in the pharmaceutical industry. In many production areas that are automated, indexing solutions can also be found for assembly actions, processing steps, for printing or packaging. Indexers are used in a particular where speed or precision in the individual process are important. Our solutions can be found everywhere from automotive to consumer goods to the packaging industry.
Frank, when it comes to indexing and its applications, which you gave great examples of, how does the DESTACO product family make a difference?
First of all, DESTACO offers a wide range of automation products for a wide variety of applications. We are a full service provider for pick-and-place applications and similar processes, from grippers to vacuum cups and clamping technology to indexing. This scope is unique and enables us to have unique expertise for the entire automation process, which is available to our customers to solve their problems. With regard to index drives, DESTACO offers the most comprehensive range on the market. You will find rotating solutions such as indexing tables, as well as linear solutions, such as our high-precision conveyors. Whatever your application requires, whether slow or fast cycling, maximum precision, heavy loads, or whatever combination of properties you're looking for, you will find a solution in our comprehensive range of indexing products.
Moritz, how do I choose the right indexer for my application?
This is actually quite simple. At DESTACO, as with the grippers, we have various options for this. The first is our indexer sizing tool. By entering the application data, the right index drive for the application can be selected in a guided program, also with our support. Reduction gears and even the right motor can also be configured here. But especially when planning complex systems, there are often more things to consider. Our trained staff can competently help you with the design and project planning. Visits on site are both possible and desirable in this context.
If I can't find the right indexer, is it possible to get a tailor-made solution?
Since both motors with reduction gears and motion sequences, for example pendulum motions, can be freely selected, there is hardly an application that is not covered by our product portfolio. However, should the case arise that none of our products meet your requirements, designers in Asia, USA and Europe are available to help the customer with advice and action to find a tailor-made solution for their problems.
Frank, does Vestaco offer an after-sales service for indexers?
We are where our customers and their systems are and provide service and maintenance work by Vestaco or by a service provider. This way we can ensure a global on-site service by competent and trained staff. We further also offer service instructions as well as spare parts, which is important when our indexing gears have been in service for several decades. We don't leave our customers alone after the products have been delivered. This gives our customers the security of being able to operate their systems over the entire product lifecycle without costly redesigns.
Thank you, Moritz and Frank. That was our session on indexing. Our next conversation will focus on new products and innovations. Stay with us. Welcome back to our roundtable discussion. As mentioned earlier today, we are at Vestaco's European headquarters and will talk with our experts about new products and innovations. I would like to welcome to our session Stefan Eggers, Managing Director of Vestaco Europe, Sylvain Willem-Lang, Director of Sales and Services EMEA, Osama Ansari, Director of Global Distribution, and Vincent Pantin, our Automation Sales Manager, who will be joining us from France. It is great to have you all with us. Vestaco has been known for the production of high-quality power and manual clamps, but for a number of years the company has branched out the other key business areas. How does automation fit into this, Stefan?
Thank you very much for asking that question, Edith, as this question is asked from our customers from time to time. Vestaco is a well-known brand for decades of years, founded in 1915 in Detroit. With providing the first toggle clamp, we started our journey as a leading company for work holding applications. Especially in the 1990s, we expanded our footprint, but also our product portfolio to what we are today. Work holding applications are still a foundation of our business and are used in almost all markets across the globe. However, today we are serving our customers with a wide range of additional products related to automation, such as indexers, grippers, conveyors, and tool changers. Until today, our work holding applications are a foundation of our business, used in almost all markets across the globe. So I'm happy to hear that our brand and our products are visible on the market. Sylvain, would you please provide more insights about the automation markets we are serving?
We are covering various markets such as automotive, general industry, life science, food and packaging, aerospace, pharma, consumers. On indexer, we have two brands, Camco and Ferguson. Camco is our brand for general application. With Ferguson, we are mainly present in pharma, cosmetic, packaging, and general industry. On grippers and tool changers, we have success story in automotive. In terms of market coverage, we have direct and indirect sales. Direct sales is with our team, mainly in France, Germany, Netherlands, Spain, and also in Poland and Czech Republic. Regarding indirect sales, we are doing that with our general partner.
Osama, what is the role of channel partner of distribution of Vestaco products?
Thank you, Edith. Vestaco has a very extensive channel partner network across the globe, which enable us to have a strong market coverage. Our channel partners are located in all continents and countries where our customers require our goods and services. As a premium brand, Vestaco is committed to high quality standards. Our certified channel partners are authorized to sell all our product lines, including grippers and indexers. Our channel partners add value to our products by supplying complete solutions, including local service, on-site support, maintenance, and repair for indexers, for example. They also support our customers with customized product trainings, helping them to select and size the right automation solutions.
Stefan, how would you describe the added value proposition of Vestaco?
I would like to answer your question by talking about our key assets and our strategic setup we are following for many years now. I would call it our company DNA. One of our real strengths is our global footprint, which enables us to provide expertise and services very regional and in native language to our customers. In combination with our partner networks and our facilities within the regions, we are bringing our products very close to our customers. Our employees, partners, and global supply chains are highly committed to our quality standards. This enables us to provide common high-quality standards independent of where you order or where you are using our products. Close cooperations with universities and external R&D departments allow us to provide the latest technology standards to our customers. And in case our products don't meet your expectations or technology needs, please reach out to us. Our application engineers in all regions, Americas, Europe, and Asia, are happy to support and customize your products.
Sylvain, could you please somehow describe our capabilities on applications and customization?
The idea is not to offer only products, but also a tailor-made solution for our customers. Our grippers are famous in difficult environments, such as high temperature, forging, arch. For automation, our local application teams are located in Germany and in France. I can give you some recent application that we did. For instance, in the cheese industry, restrictions are high in terms of contamination barrier. Therefore, we have a specific food grippers, FUA, which allowed a direct contact with the product. We also did a great application for the champagne, specifically on their corking process. A nice combination between grippers and indexers. We have increased productivity with our grippers on wood panel handling for a famous kitchen manufacturer. The constraint was the length of the panel manipulated by a robot.
We have discussed automation at Vestaco, including added value proposition and channel partner activities. Now let's look at some of the latest trends. What would you say, Stefan, are the key technology trends right now, and how is Vestaco adapting to them?
Independent of our product line, we are facing various technology trends on the market. These trends are creating a strong demand to supply products to our customers, which enable them to monitor their production parameters in real time and much more holistic as it was done in the past. As a result, we are currently verifying modular and product line independent servo, drive and control concepts, which enable our customers to realize these solutions. A cost-effective alternative is given by innovative standard motor solutions we are verifying as well. Secondly, I would like to highlight the impacts of legal regulations with regards on reducing CO2 emissions of production lines. This leads to several activities within our company to change concepts which allow our customers to reduce or even eliminate the use of compressed air. Weight reductions, especially on our gripper line, cobot and man machine applications, as well as products, flexible products, which enable our customers to realize one-piece flow and multi-product production lines are further trends we are working on. Even when these key trends are dominating the majority of our activities in our R&D departments, the majority of our business is still linked to standard applications, such as pneumatic grippers and indexers with standard drives.
Sylvain, how interesting, are there any other Industry 4.0 product lines by Vestaco?
Starting by the cobot point, I would like to highlight our new TC1 tool changer. For instance, just there. The TC1, it's a manual tool changer for cobot and highway flexible application. Our TC1 is ultra-light and compact, excellent repeatability, cost-effective, high performance, and simple to use. And we have, of course, different electrical module interface. Weight reduction, as Stefan mentioned, is also one of our topic. We are doing some 3D printing tests on lightweight grippers, 2 and 3 jaw. The weight is around -30% in average. Flexibility of design for the customer application and also time to market. We have just provided to one of our customers a docking station for our standard tool changer, RQC, on a welding application. This is a turnkey solution for the customer, modular solution for all the size. Our automation teams is working with our smart clamp engineering team to adapt the smart solution used on the power clamp aligned with the Industry 4.0 for our grippers and tool changer.
Vestaco's growth has been centered around premium engineering. Another part of that growth has been the acquisition of a number of companies. Historic brands like CCMOP, CPI and Ferguson. Vestaco has now decided to reintroduce the Ferguson brand. Sylvain, could you please talk us through this process, please?
Well, in fact, Vestaco is more than 100 years old. As Stefan mentioned before, Vestaco was founded in 1915. Vestaco has mechanical and also servo motor indexers. Our brand, Camco, is very well known in the US and Ferguson in Europe. In fact, Ferguson is known as the mother of the indexer in the European market.
Sylvain, and how would you describe the different brands within our gripper line?
Exactly the same concept. In fact, Homerhand is very well known in the US, and our brand CCMOP is very well known in France and all over Europe.
Vincent, you are the sales manager at Vestaco Europe. Could you give us the status of Vestaco's automation business in Europe, please?
As described by Stefan and Sylvain, Vestaco is a well-known global brand, and we already cover a very diversified market in automation. Our global presence and strategic networking is a key to bring the best support, assistance and guidance to the customers. The sales teams are deployed all over Europe with the support of customer service in Germany, France, Spain, UK, Benelux and Eastern Europe through our partners and distributors. Our long experience in aerospace, automotive and general industries is an opportunity to develop and optimize our product portfolio in automation as standard product. For specific or more complex application, The engineering team is in place to give all the necessary support during the development process and until the finalization of the projects. The manufacturing plant of most of the grippers, tool changers and Ferguson indexers is located in France. It gives us flexibility and reactivity on the European market. Note that a technical assistance is available locally for product repairs or technical expertise for application. The global presence of Vestaco in Europe, as well as the expanded footprint, is an opportunity to actively participate in the development of automation.
Thanks, Vincent. Looking at the whole market, what would you say is Vestaco's position right now, Sylvain?
Vestaco is part of Dover Corporation, a 7 billion global industrial conglomerate with 29,000 employees worldwide, serving customers in more than 100 countries. So global presence and local support. The production for grippers and tool changer and Ferguson indexer are done in Europe. We have two production plants, one in Germany and one in France. The local application is also with test lab, engineering team too, and sales present all across Europe. Vestaco is a human-sized company in Europe, but allowed us to be customer-oriented, to give a good support, reliable product, flexible to specific customer demand, turnkey solution, tailor-made application, and also plug-and-play solution. We want Vestaco to be seen as an external asset.
The overall digital transformation is moving forward in all aspects in our life. Osama, how does Vestaco support this need?
This is a very excellent question, Edith. The pandemic is changing the way how we work, travel and communicate in the market. The pandemic has also affected the way how our customers behave in the market. Many customers don't accept personal customer meetings, so our customers still require a high support level from us. Since the early beginning of the pandemic, we've developed digital concepts for trainings, including on and offline commercial trainings and video-based webinars. We are expanding our e-commerce capabilities in order to maximize the customer experience. Our digital platform has become an important part of our e-commerce solutions, including more features like product data in different formats or product configuration software. All in one, our digital solutions brought us closer to our customers and help us to close the gap that COVID created in the market.
Stefan, any final words to our partners and customers at the end of our roundtable discussion?
Yes. I would like to highlight that we are available for our customers, even in these uncertain times. Our complete work streams and productions are adapted to the impacts of the pandemic. So we are fully operational since the pandemic started Q1 last year.
Our experts are still available in chat rooms for your questions, even after our roundtable discussion. Thank you, Stefan, Sylvain, Osama, and Vincent, for your great insight. This has been a first for Vestaco. We hope you enjoyed it and you gained some of valuable information. Vestaco will be having another virtual event in the second half of the year, focusing on automotive products. We hope to see you there.